and introductions. The burn result in the loss of the skin and with impairment of skin and functions, and the effect of the burn and depend on the extent and the site of damage, and it affects all ages group, and both the children and the elderly are at the great risk. And the similarly, and psychiatric, epileptic, and low income group are the vulnerable. And the general anatomy: skin, epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues. है ना? This is the picture of the epidermis. The classifications of burn and erythema and superficial and partial and thicknesses and full thicknesses. Erythema, it is caused the damage only the epidermis. The skin remain intact and erythema lasts for a few days, and they usually and take the 3 and the 7 days and to the heal without the scarring, and also known as the first degree burn. The patient and does not the normally seek medical help unless the problem is the extensive. The most common type of the first degree burn is the sunburn. This is the picture of the erythema. And superficial, the tissue damage result in the seepage of fluid in the between the layer of the epidermis, causing the blister, and blister is the surrounded and by a dark and red erythema. And moment of the burn, the moment of the burnt area and can be very painful, and blister will continue to appear and over the first 24 hours and after burning. And the partial and thicknesses of burn. The most commonly referred to as the second degree burn. The partial thicknesses are divided into two major categories. The one is the superficial partial and thicknesses burn. The epidermis is the destroyed, and deep dermis burn. Second is deep dermis burn. Both the epidermis and the part of the dermis are the destroyed. And superficial partial thicknesses. The epidermis and the superficial and layer of the dermis are the destroyed. It is the very painful and burn and sensitive and to the temperature and change and the air exposure, and most commonly referred to a second degree burn. This is called of the second degree burn. The typically, and there are the blister are the most and red beeping and burn in which blends with the pressure, and they heal in the 7 and 10 days with the minimum scarring. This is the picture of the partial thicknesses burn. And the deep partial and thicknesses. It is involve distractions of the epidermis with the damage of the dermis and down into the reticular layer, and the most of the nerve ending and hair follicle and sweat gland and will be injured, and because most of the dermis is the destroyed, and the blister and easily unproved one, and which are the wet and waxy dry and painful and to the pressure, and they are cool, and their color and may range from pretty and cheeses and white to the red. This is a picture of the deep partial thicknesses. The full thicknesses, and in this In this, all of the epidermis and dermis layer are the destroyed completely. In the addition, and subcutaneous fat and layer may be the damaged to the some extent, and presenting surface and may be black and white and yellow, and the heal is the very slow and may and require skin grafting. This is picture of the full thickness burn. And etiology causes the flaming, the chemical and the hot fluid and electrical and inhalation. First is the flames burn. This occurs when the patient is catched by the fire. Examples in the home, car and workplace fire. The burn are the often partial and full thicknesses, and cold water and dousing and reducing the deep burn. Second is the chemical, and the caustic and substance causes the partial thicknesses and deep of which can be limited and by the promote actions in cold water and dousing. This is the picture of flaming burn and chemical burn. Then hot fluids. The hot water is the commonest causes of the scald. The next, electrical burn. A patient has burn on the skin and which has been in the contact with the live and wire and other, and this accident is the completed by the cardiac and the respiratory arrest. And next, inhalations burn and direct thermal injuries and can be sustained by the inhalation flame to the hot gases and the steam, and this plays a major and treated to the upper airway and causes edema of the larynx and pharynx and the trachea. This is the picture of inhalation burn. And pathological changes. These may be considered in three stages. Stage of the shock, stage of the eschers, and the burnt skin removal, and the stage of healing. And the stage of shock. The loss of fluid from the circulation is the responsible and for one shock. This lasts at 4 and 2 and 3 days and longer in the elderly. There is the increased capacity and the permeability with the loss of protein, electrolytes, and from the blood. The main changes are the decrease in plasma value, an increase in the heat rate, and decrease in the cardiac output, and increase the productions of the RBC plasma in the blood vessels, and resulting in the increase in the viscosity and the slowing of the circulations. The dangers of the during this stage are the pulmonary edema and occlusions of the arteries and cardiac, renal, and the liver failure and permanent brain and the vital organ damage. And the stage of the eschar removal. The burnt skin become the blast, the crested and the lethally. This and it separate in the 3 and 4 week. And after a superficial burn and skin is the hilted and underneath. And following the deeper one and tissue are the exposed and which the required skin the corrupting. Next, stage of healing. And after superficial burn, the skin heals and can be normal. In the following and burn and the destroy epidermis, and then there is a scar tissues over a number of weeks, and this tissues can be become in the contracture and maybe the extensive in the growth and growth where and there is the extensive distractions in patient outgoing undergoing grafting and the reconstructions of the surgery and which may be taken month. Okay, thank you.